Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A reliable car jump starter is an essential tool for any driver, offering peace of mind in the face of unexpected battery failures. Whether you're stranded in a remote location or simply need a quick boost to start your vehicle, the right jump starter can be a lifesaver. With a plethora of options available on the market, it's crucial to make an informed choice. To help you navigate this decision, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best car jump starters. These compact and powerful devices have been selected based on their performance, safety features, and overall value for your money. Read on to discover the best options that will ensure you're never left stranded with a dead battery again. Number 5. GKFLY Car Jump Starter. One of the standout features of this jump starter is its impressive peak current of over 1200 A. This means it can effortlessly jumpstart a dead car battery, making it a reliable solution in those nerve-wracking moments when your car won't start. It's a game changer that eliminates the need to rely on another vehicle or a tow truck. The GKFLY car jump starter is incredibly compact and lightweight. The XME model weighs about 380 grams, while the XME Pro, slightly heavier at about 450 grams, is still easily manageable. Its small form factor means it doesn't take up much space in your vehicle, making it a breeze to carry and store. Beyond its primary function as a jump starter, this device offers a host of useful features. It includes USB ports for charging your electronic devices on the go, ensuring you stay connected in remote areas. Additionally, it boasts a built-in LED light with SOS functionality, which can be a lifesaver during nighttime emergencies or when you're stuck in a dark, remote location. Number 4. BUVAYE Car Jump Starter. The BUVAYE Car Jump Starter delivers a peak current of 1000 A, which has been more than sufficient to jumpstart my car multiple times. It has never failed to revive my vehicle, even in colder temperatures. This reliability is a game changer, especially during those unexpected roadside breakdowns. One of the standout features of this jump starter is its two-way fast charging capability. Not only can it jumpstart your car, but it can also charge your mobile devices via the USB port. This versatility comes in handy, ensuring that you stay connected and powered up while on the road. Weighing in at just 1000 grams, the BUVAYE Car Jump Starter is incredibly lightweight and compact. It fits snugly in my glove compartment, making it easy to carry around without taking up much space. Its portability is a huge advantage for anyone who values convenience and space saving. Number 3. GOOLOO GT4000 Car Jump Starter. The first thing that struck me about the GT4000 is its compact design. It's incredibly lightweight at just 1500 grams, making it easy to store in your glove compartment or carry in your bag. Gone are the days when jump starters were bulky and cumbersome. The peak current of over 1200 A is more than enough to jumpstart most vehicles, including SUVs and trucks. I've used it on my own car as well as a friend's, and it worked flawlessly both times. It gave me the peace of mind that I wouldn't be stranded in the middle of nowhere with a dead battery. The GOOLOO GT4000 isn't just a jump starter, it's a versatile power bank. The two-way fast charging feature is a game changer. I was able to charge my smartphone, tablet, and even a laptop in no time. And the conversion rate of 85%-90% means you get the most out of the device's battery. Number 2. VTOMAN VX1 Car Jump Starter. One of the standout features of the VTOMAN VX1 is its portability. Weighing in at just 1.36 kilograms, it's incredibly easy to carry around. Whether you're going on a road trip or just commuting within the city, this jump starter takes up minimal space and ensures you're always prepared for a dead battery. The VX1 boasts a peak current of over 1200 A, making it capable of jump-starting a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to larger trucks. It's saved me from being stranded more than once, and I can't stress enough how reassuring it is to have such reliable power at your fingertips. What sets the VTOMAN VX1 apart is its two-way fast charging feature. Not only can you jump-start your car, but you can also charge your mobile devices, thanks to the built-in USB ports. In an emergency situation, having the ability to charge your phone or tablet can be a real game changer. Number 1. UTRAI Super Capacitor Car Jump Starter. One of the standout features of the UTRAI Jump Starter is its size and weight. Weighing in at just 1.5 kg, this portable device is incredibly compact and easy to store in your glove compartment or trunk. It won't take up much space, making it ideal for on-the-go emergencies. The UTRAI Super Capacitor Car Jump Starter boasts a peak current of 1000 A, which is more than sufficient for jump-starting a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and boats. During my testing, it had no trouble reviving a dead car battery, which is a testament to its power and efficiency. One noticeable drawback is that this jump starter does not support fast charging. While this isn't a deal breaker, it means you'll need to be prepared by ensuring the device is adequately charged before you need it. Quick top-offs aren't an option with this unit. Thanks for watching this video.